We all have various reasons for going our own way. For me, it is due to the state of the legal system, more specifically, the state of the family court systems in the United States and in the countries that surround the United States. That's the reason for many men choosing to opt out of marriage. Mandown, a closer look at family court, is a film, a feature-length documentary film by Veet Sitaram. It is an investigative look at the family court system and how it is designed to favor women. This is a first of its kind documentary. Documentaries, media content like this is what wakes up young men and enables them to choose to opt out of decisions like marriage, which is, quite frankly, a bad deal given our current laws, more appropriately, our gynocentric laws. So they have a Kickstarter where you can support the film. If you're able to, I would ask that you pitch a few dollars towards the documentary. And if not, that's okay. I understand. But at least do me a favor and share the film. Share it. Spread word. Share it on social media. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I don't care. Snapchat. Spread the word of the film and get it out there. Because if you can donate, I'm sure someone else can. This film is something that I highly support because, once again, once we are able to educate young men on the dangers of the legal system, especially in the family courts, they will make the more smarter decisions, such as walking away from long-term cohabitation with women due to the legal challenges you may face if she chooses to divorce you. Now, here is a trailer that shows you Mandown, a closer look at family court.
The bias is clearly for women in family law matters.
People, when they don't experience this, they just don't believe it.
Whoever can tell the best lie wins.
When you're in family court, some people are just better liars than others.
When you get married, what are you signing up for? You don't even know.
A divorce lawyer will tell the woman, well, go get a restraining order. Doesn't matter whether or not there's any intimate partner violence. It doesn't matter.
How is it that a lawyer who is bound by some sort of ethical protocol, counseling me, giving me legal advice to stage domestic violence so I get the upper hand in family court?
And that automatically then puts them in complete control of everything. Home, assets, kids, everything.
The way it is when you see your child under supervision is demeaning.
They put a temporary restraining order on me, and I was not allowed to go to what was my home.
It makes you feel like a criminal, like you're an abuser.
Honestly, I think feminism is so pervasive in our society, and if you talk about problems, that men can have problems even, you get looks of an incredulity.
We know for a fact that having a father in a child's life leads to better academic performance, better language skills, better socialization.
You know, teen pregnancies are higher when fathers aren't involved, criminality, drug abuse.
Men need to have a vested interest in their children, and if they have no legal right for that vested interest,
why stick around?
Why stick around? Why get into marriages in the first place? That's a really basic question.
They're told to suck it up. I mean, men are, isn't that the whole thing about being manly, is being stoic.
Somebody has to take apart the theories. Somebody has to say, wait a minute, that's wrong.
I've taken phone calls in the middle of the night from total strangers, from men who don't know where to turn, sobbing about how they can't get to see their kids.
The entire family law system needs to be changed. It's called best interests of the child, not best interests of the court. Every parent deserves a fair trial. Every child deserves both parents.
This may be the biggest civil liberties issue of our time.